of media chain Sabrina Carpenter needs to be fired. After hearing the Zaghrouta for the first time, a traditional expression of joy used in Southwest Asia and North Africa, she said this.
Is that what you're doing?
Then she doubled down and said this.
I don't like it.
And cherry on the cake was this.
That's your culture, is yodeling? This is weird.
Here's what you need to know about this weird sound to avoid sounding kind of rude. Ululation isn't exclusive to Arabs. I know that's what the media outlets are running with, maybe because it helps the narrative of Arabs are uncivilized, but actually, countries like Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Serbia, Malta, and even Cyprus express joy this way too. The oldest reference historians found points back to ancient Egypt, because they realized early on that clapping just doesn't give you the same oomph you need at a wedding, celebrating a promotion, hyping up your friends, or if you get good news. Third of all, this is culturally widespread, which means everyone's Zaghrouta or ululation is going to sound different. And finally, I find it so hard to believe that Sabrina has never heard a Zaghrouta before. Sabrina didn't watch Shakira and JLo's Super Bowl performance. I bet my camel that Sabrina heard Shakira do this. And I remember the internet going crazy then, educating so many people about the Zaghrouta. So why are we here again?